going, everybody? I'm Ryan here, back with another video, and in this video I'll be reviewing this i7 mini TWS Apple AirPods replica. Now this is the best replica you'll find out there. There are i7 mini, there's i9 mini, there's i10s mini. There are a lot of models of this TWS model, but this is like, I got it from the Ros.pk again. Now the thing here is that I ordered an i7 PK, but someone marked it like i9 from the board marker. I don't know what is that about, but here it is. The model is i7 mini TWS. It is wireless version, impedance, frequency, whatever that is, 350 milliamp hour battery of the power bank, and 50 milliamp hour battery of the AirPods, and playing time is almost 5 to 6 hours, and charging time is almost 1 to 2 hours, and standby time is 100 hours. So let's see how it is. It is made in China, of course. It is a replica. Now unbox it, so let's see. So the first impression is we've got the AirPods right away. Here are the AirPods right here. And what else do we have? We have a charging cable here, and just a manual that's in Chinese and English. We have a manual in English too. So these are the AirPods exactly. Now right here I have like 2 AirPods. Now these are the best replica you'll find out there. Of course they don't have the touch sensitive touch, but they do have these buttons. If you want the touch ones, you can also get them online. I'll put a link down in the description. These AirPods also have a link down in the description. So these are the AirPods right here. This is the charging case. As you can see here, you'll put your charger right here. This is the charging of your case, and right there is where your AirPods go, as you can see in there. Now these are the AirPods right here. I've used them for like I've used them for like one lifetime of their charge, and you just have to turn them on from here. When you long press this button, this one will turn on, and then you'll have to long press this one, and this one will turn on. So they are now ready to pair. Then you've got to pair them with your device, and both of them work pretty well. And I found the voice was pretty good, but the bass is not actually good. If you're into like watching videos and everything, these AirPods are for you. But if you want to listen to songs with high bass, these aren't good, because the bass starts to bounce out and everything. So these aren't a pretty good option. But however, they're like the best replica right now of Apple AirPods if you want to get them. I'll show you that how you can charge them up. First of all, you've got to connect this cable right back here, and you'll see that it'll start charging. As you can see here, that it has started charging. Now this is only charging the power case of the phone. Now if you want to charge the AirPods, just flip them in. This will go here, and when you'll press a little, a light will form, which means that they're charging. Same goes for here. There we go, and they're charging. And you can use them for 2 charges, which means that you can generally use them for like 10 hours. But I'll make a complete review on these AirPods, and I'll tell you that how it goes. So peace out.